Search Engine Optimization book is your go-to resource for actionable SEO strategies that drive online success. It simplifies complex SEO concepts into easy-to-follow steps, from keyword research to site audits and performance tracking. With a focus on practical implementation, you learn how to optimize content, enhance site architecture, and effectively use SEO tools. Perfect for filmmakers, digital marketeers, film producers, web developers, business owners, e-commerce owners, and no matter what industry you're working in, this book is your go-to resource. This playbook helps you create a robust SEO strategy that delivers measurable results. So what's it all about? Starting with the basics of search engines and the essentials of keyword research and on-page optimization, the guide provides easy-to-understand explanations and practical exercises. You build a solid foundation in SEO and apply strategies to improve your website's visibility. This book is ideal for individual and small business owners looking to get started with SEO and is the first step towards online success. As long as you run a business online, you need this book to help you increase your website's visibility in search engines. For experienced professionals, the book explores advanced topics such as technical SEO, algorithm updates, and competitive analysis. You'll gain insights into optimizing site performance, improving mobile usability, and leveraging data for strategic decisions. Especially if you work for agencies as a digital marketing manager or SEO manager, you really need to buy this book because it has everything in it. I've been into SEO business for many years, and I provided my case studies, how to get ranked. Those of you who are older know me that I am very good at ranking a website online. So this book will help you to gain success in your online marketing. It provides expert advice and in-depth case studies. This guide helps seasoned SEO practitioners refine their skills and stay ahead of the curve. Additionally, this book contains predictions about future SEO trends, offering a comprehensive view of the field. So whether you're just beginning or looking to sharpen your SEO expertise, this guide is your essential resource for achieving top rankings in search engines. I have also written books about digital marketing, e-commerce, digital marketing for e-commerce. And so these are all series that helps you achieve your online success. And I've been behind many successful businesses within e-commerce and shopping businesses. So you hit the jackpot by buying my book. Get your copy. Bye, everyone.